Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. Today we're gonna see how to draw a trend line on candlestick chart. The first topic will be the uptrend line. I'll try and show you how to draw uptrend line on different time frames. It can be weekly chart, monthly chart, daily, hourly, or even 15 minutes chart. In case you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's go ahead and see how to draw a trend line on candlestick chart. Here in this diagram, I have drawn different candles. Now the concept remains same. Whatever I had taught you while drawing uptrend line on line chart, the same concept we are going to use to draw a trend line on candlestick chart. The only difference here is in line chart we see the closing values, whereas in candlesticks we can see open, high, low and close. As I have said you before, while drawing the uptrend line, we need to start from the lowest point and attach it to the best higher lows on the upper side. While drawing uptrend line, we also need to understand one thing, that is the price must remain always above the trend line. Now let's go ahead and see how to draw the uptrend line. Here in this picture, this is the lowest point what I see now. Let's start drawing a trend line from here. I can draw a trend line like this, but here if you see this big bearish candle has broken the trend line. In case I need to draw other trend line on this chart, I'll start from the next lowest point. This is the lowest point what I see here, and I'll attach it to the lows on the upper side. Now if you see here, this trend line is far more better than this trend line. The reason is, here in this trend line, price has always remained above the trend line. Now let's go ahead and see some charts. I'm using tradingview.com. Let me go to Maruti first. Let's try drawing trend line on monthly time frame. I'll just zoom out and see what has happened here. Okay, now if you see, the trend has been on the upside from this point till this point almost, right? Let's go and draw the trend line here. Now here in this chart, this is the lowest point what I have. This is the lowest point from where I'll start drawing the trend line. Okay, this becomes one trend line. This is the first trend line. The reason is I can see 2 points getting attached here. This is the one point and this is the second one. Now in case I need to draw one more trend line, I'll start from this lowest point. I'll see how many points I can attach. I can see here I have attached the next trend line to this point and to this point, and you can see once the trend broke, there was a beautiful fall till this level, and from here again the prices have bounced up. Now let's see if I can draw one more trend line here. This is the one more trend line. Here I have attached to this point. This is the first point, and this is the second point what I have attached to, and this is the third point. And you can see once the trend line broke, how beautifully the prices have come and hit this trend line. It has taken a support here, and again the prices have bounced up. Now these are the three trend lines what I can draw for now on Maruti chart. Now let's go ahead and check out other stock. Let's see DHFL. Let's start drawing the trend line here on DHFL. This is one trend line what I can draw now. Now this point is breached and the prices have gone down. Now let's try and draw one more trend line. The next trend line will be probably from here till this level. I can just attach it to one point. It's fine. Now let me try drawing one more trend line here. Yes, this is the third point, third trend line, and this trend line will be the last. Now here in this trend line, you can see I've started from this point. I've attached it to this low. There are 2 points I've attached to, and you can see once the price broke this level, how beautifully it has gone down. Trend line helps us to know the exit point. Let's go ahead and draw one more trend line. Now let me show you how I'm going to draw uptrend line here on Nifty 50 chart. This is on 1 hour time frame. This will probably help the day traders and the swing traders. Now this is the lowest point what I see here on the chart. From this point, you can just pull a line on the upside. I can see here I have almost attached it to just 1 point, not more than that. This was just one single point where I have attached to, and after it broke this point, the prices have come down, bounced up again, and again fallen down. Now in case I want to draw some other trend line here, the uptrend line, how am I gonna draw it? I'll start again from the lowest point. This trend line looks very good. I have attached it to this one point here, and the second point is this. And you can see once the price broke this level, the price has started going down slowly. You can see this is how it has moved down. So this is how I draw a trend line on the Nifty 50 chart. Now let me go and show you the Bank Nifty chart. So this is the Bank Nifty chart. Let's go and check out 15 minutes time frame as well. Okay, this looks fantastic. Now this is 15 minutes chart and this is the lowest point what I have. I'll start drawing a trend line from here, this lowest point. Okay, this is the one trend line what I have now. Let me try drawing one more trend line from this point, and yes, this is the second trend line. For this is the live chart, this is the second trend line. Today's chart is 2nd November 2020. Now in case I need to see it in 1 hour time frame, let me show you how I could draw the 1 hour chart as well. Yes, this is the same lowest point what I see. Yes, this is how the charts have been moving. You can see the prices have taken good support at the trend line here, and it has been moving on the upside. Well guys, this is how I draw the uptrend line, and this is how you have to try drawing uptrend line on the candlestick chart. Well, that's it for today. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.